Namaste and welcome back to the session 6 of Nature Flow with me, Indira Chauva. So, as you see, I'm practicing these sessions in the nature, water mostly, and earth, and in the midst of a lot of greenery. Now, I'm back at water today. This stream is slightly lesser. Actually, it's helping me stay calm and focused more than there where there is more water. This is so calming, soothing for me to actually sit and practice. Hope you can hear that a little bit of it while you're practicing so that you're more calmer throughout the practice. So let's get started with the session. So starting with a bit of a warm up and pranayama, then meditation on water again today. Okay, so get ready. Hands in chin mudra, roll shoulders back and down. And there's amazing breeze here today where you can see my hair moving. So we will be looking at how comfortable are you with the posture first. So adjust your posture. Keep a cushion under your buttocks if you need to, or sit on a chair and practice if you're not comfortable for sitting long in this posture. And we are also practicing in this wide open space. So as I keep mentioning, I want you to visualize yourself sitting here right in front of me, as if like I'm teaching you one to one. We both being here, just you and me. Visualizing you being here, having another stone right in front of me and sitting on it, making yourself comfortable. Just visualize you being in this nature. If you look around, you should be able to see all the trees around, only greenery and the blue sky. If you look down, this subtle flow of water, using all these things, including the breeze, to calm our mind, prepare ourselves physically, mentally for the practice. Setting up an intention again for today's practice. Two things to keep in mind. Let your breath flow like water, and let the breath flow long, like how river has got a long journey. And mainly, importantly, all the rivers have a destination of joining the sea. Same way, our breath also has got a destination of pausing. That means, actually, as per the yogic text, cessation of the breath is pranayama actually. That is what we are going to start from today. Pausing the breath for some time. So we have done enough training of the breath. Single nostril, alternative nostril, and Surya Bhedi Pranayama, Chandra Bhedi Pranayama. Now let's progress from today onwards with that intention to pause the breath for a few seconds in between as per my instruction. Let us begin with 3 Omkara. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. So the first Omkara is to seek blessings from the universe so that we do not have any obstacles, be it internet, your system shut down, laptop or phone, whatever you're using. And the second Omkara, let's seek from the universe that let there be no obstacles from your family or whoever is living with you right inside your house right now. They're knocking the door or calling you, or even your pets. These all things could distract you from the practice. Let there be no distractions from others. I'll tell you in the next session about the last Om, why we chant. Let's do that. Inhale. 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 Listening to the sound. Sometimes after we chant Om, we also have the inner sound of the Om. That is what we call in yoga, Nada. Nada yoga, the inner sound. That is possible after many rounds of Om chanting. Sometimes even if it is few rounds, if you are a regular practitioner. Gently open palms, look into palms, open eyes. And namaste, welcome back. I see the water right in front of me flowing. It's so beautiful to practice. So let's all start with a simple warm-up. Remember, lengthening of the spine is very essential for your internal organs and especially for your lungs. Let's start. Palms at the heart center. Inhale, extend arms to the ceiling, lengthen. Look up, join your elbows, exhale, close your chest. Now reverse order. Inhale, extend arms, lengthen, look up. Exhale, release your hands. Back to the chest. Take your arms to the side first. Inhale, arms up, lengthen. Look up. Exhale, palms back to the chest. Now, inhale, extend arms up, lengthen, look up. Exhale, hands by the side, palms to the chest. One last time. Inhale, take your arms to the side, lengthen. Exhale, palms to the chest. Inhale, arms up, lengthen. Exhale, by the side, palms to back to the chest. So doing a little bit of a lateral bend. So I will be using my elbow lock here. But if you have a floor next to you, please feel free to keep the palm down. And then inhale, arms up, and exhale. Keeping your elbow on one side or your thigh. Inhale, center, exhale. 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 One last round. Inhale, center, exhale. Inhale, center, exhale. Inhale, lengthen first and release. Exhale. Okay, so get ready now for butterfly. Loosening up your hip joints. Remember, hips being mobile is very essential for you to practice any meditation or any breathing practice, because we don't sleep and practice. Start flopping your knees. We don't sleep and practice or stand and practice pranayama. We only be seated at one position, completely become still with your body so that you can observe your prana movement, the breathing. So keep moving so that you mobile, create that mobility in your hips. Right. Now come back to center. Right. Yes. Get ready. Be in a comfortable posture. Hands in mudra. So you can do these sessions even after your other sessions on our cult app, or even when you practice yoga on your own, or maybe do a running and come back. Any activity which actually increase the temperature of your body or stimulated your body, you can do this after that, so that you are completely calm and composed and ready to start your day off or end your day. Okay, so hands in mudra, roll shoulders back and down, eyes closed. Inhale, deep breath, expand the abdomen. Exhale, contract. Inhale, expand the abdomen. Exhaling, contract. If you're not able to feel the abdomen movement, place your palm on the stomach and inhale, expand the belly. Exhale, contract. One more time. Inhale, expand the abdomen. Exhale. Right. Release hands. Gently open your eyes. So you continue with the same practice if you are menstruating, or if you have any low back pain, or even heart problems, blood pressure issues, migraine, headache, all these things. Avoid the practice of Kapalabhati. So if you're comfortable practicing, go ahead. And then those who are avoiding the Kapalabhati, do this. Even menstruation, right? You're not supposed to create more strain to the lower abdominal area. So first we are going to do single nostril and both nostrils. And after that you're going to observe what's going to happen to the breath. Okay? Close your right nostril with your right thumb. Start on your left 10 times. Okay? Inhale and start. Now close your left nostril with your ring finger. Start on your right 10 strokes. Now release your hands down through both nostrils 10 times. Excellent. Observe the breathing immediately. Kapalabhati is a cleansing practice. It also cleanses all the unnecessary thoughts, brings in the clarity. Now let's do it with the same 15 counts this time. 15 on the left, 15 on the right, 15 on both nostrils together. Close the right nostril. If you find it challenging 15 counts, go back to 10. Simple. And start. Exhale. Now close the left nostril with your ring finger. Start on your right. Once you finish, release hands through both nostrils now. 15. Observe the breathing now. Is there a breath happening, or is there a pause in the breath? And whenever you feel like breathing in, inhale, exhale. Now the last set with the 20. Close your right nostril if 20 is challenging, because 20, 20, 20 will be 60. If it is too much, go back to 10 or 15. Closing the right nostril, start on your left. Exhale. Close the left nostril. Open the right 20. Once you finish, release the hands. Now through both nostrils 20 together. Observe the breathing. Sometimes you will feel that there is suspension of the breath. Embrace that. Observe that natural suspension. You're not putting any effort. And inhale, deep breath whenever you feel like breathing in. Exhale long. We have done it in the previous session, Bhastrika Pranayama. Earlier was a cleansing technique which is essential before pranayama, which we have done. Let's start with the Bhastrika again. If you're comfortable, 10, or else let's start with the 15. Again, do the same thing. Observe the breath right after you finish. If you do not know what is Bhastrika, you can open your eyes and observe me doing it. It's an active inhalation, active exhalation happening at the chest, unlike the Kapalabhati, which happens at the abdomen. And let's begin. Inhale, arms up, start. Once you finish, relax your hands. Keeping your eyes closed, observe the breathing. Is there a breath happening or no breath? Very easily, no breath. That sometimes you feel like you neither want to breathe in nor want to breathe out. That's the sensation I'm trying to bring in with these practices. Let's do the second set. If you're comfortable, 20, otherwise stick to 10 or 15. And again, same thing, those who are with the same issues as I mentioned for Kapalabhati, heart problems, blood pressure issues, heart related, menstruation, even low back issues, avoid for some time and do the one nostril breathing only. Okay, let's start. 20. Inhale. Once you finish, relax your hands. Observe your breath. Is there a need of breath or you're comfortable without the breath? Whenever you feel like breathing in, breathe in and breathe out. Anytime you feel your legs are going numb or any tingling sensation, please feel free to stretch them, wiggle them, tighten your kneecaps and relax your legs and sit back again. I'm comfortable, so I'll continue. Normal breathing. Now let's go back to Conscious breathing, alternatal nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana with the Kumbhakas. That means we are pausing for 3 seconds every time we inhale, pause, exhale normally. Again, we'll inhale, pause, exhale normally. If you do not know, haven't practiced Nadi Shodhana before, open your eyes and watch me practicing. Others continue with me with the eyes closed. So, closing your right nostril. Remember, we're going to breathe in normally, no counting as such. Inhale from left. Close both nostrils with your fingers. Hold the breath inside for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through right. Inhale from right. Again, close both nostrils with your fingers. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3. Now open your left. Exhale. Inhale from left. Close nostrils. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Open your right. Exhale. Inhale right. Close both nostrils. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through left. Inhale left. Close both nostrils. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through right. Inhale right again. Last round. Close both nostrils. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through left. Release your hands down. That was our effortful holding of the breath. Unlike after Bhastrika Kapalabhati, where you felt no effort holding the breath. Observe the breathing now. Inhale, expand the belly. Exhale, contract. So slowly settle into the practice. If any numbness in the legs, sensation in the legs, feel free to straighten them, wiggle them, and come back to sitting position. Again, choose a comfortable pose. Inhale and exhale. Remember to now connect your breath with the nature, the water sound. Let it flow like water. Inhale, expand the abdomen. And let there be length of the exhalation. Exhale, let it flow like water, like a river water which has got long journey. Inhale. Exhale. Let's hold for a couple of seconds before you exhale. Inhale, expand the belly. 1, 2. Now you, with control, you exhale as slow as possible. Inhale. Exhale. Again, back to visualizing yourself into this nature. Anytime you're getting distracted or drifted from the practice, quickly open your eyes and look at an entire greenery right behind me, the water flowing next to me. Get yourself centered and start the practice again. Exhale. I hope you by now have got little clarity on what all the things you need to drop, what how you need to move forward, learning from the river, not becoming stagnant where we are, and whatever the path it gives, we are adjusting and adapting to the path and moving only forward, cannot go back. River can never flow backward. Going forward to reach the destination for all our humans. Being happy is the destination. Whatever we do gives us happiness. Having children, having a house, a good job, or a decent house, or achieving something, everything outcome is happiness. And most of the time, we are seeking that happiness from external objects, money, materials, others. But understanding the fact that that happiness is right within us, like how you're feeling calm right now, just because of some asana, pranayama, meditation. You can seek that happiness right within you, just giving that some time to reflect, sit still, and go inside. Move your awareness within. Make these sankalpas that I am enough, I am complete, I am happy, like how nature is complete in itself, does not lack anything or seek anything. We are part of the nature, the food we eat, the space we live, the air we breathe. Accepting the fact that we are part of the nature, born from, going back to the nature. And meantime, connecting with the nature in this session, visualizing the trees around me, listening to this water sound. Let us focus on the sounds of water for some time. See if you can keep your concentration on the water sound. If you're getting distracted, bring it back to the breath. You can make a sound when you inhale and exhale so that you're bringing your awareness back to the breath so that you're not getting distracted from the water sound. Or else keep coming back to the water. All you have to do is train your mind to stay or stick to one point at a time. That is water for now. And slowly relax all the efforts. Time to reflect on how was the practice. And slowly, with that, we will end here today's session. Enjoying the water. We all know how much we love water, be it when you're extremely thirsty, drinking water, or getting into a pool or a sea, or even as a child, we all have played in the rain. We all love water. Who else doesn't? So, with that, our inclination towards water, liking water, expressing gratitude of we drinking water, living on water, very essential. We will end the session with a sense of gratitude. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Bring in that gratitude feeling every time you sip water next time. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently open palms, look into palms, or rub your palms first. Generate heat, slight warmth, and place it on your eyes. Cupping them. Open your palms, look into palms, open eyes. Wow, beautiful. I see the water right in front of me after I open eyes and release hands down. So that was the end of today's session, meditating upon water, again sitting in the middle of water. So I hope you have a lifestyle change to do from going forward. So every time you sip water, 1 second of that gratitude and then drink it. Okay? So see you in the next session to learn more and practice in the midst of this greenery and beautiful nature. This is me, Indira Chava, signing off, and let me know your feedback on our community Facebook group, Stronger Together with Cult Fit. Namaste.